Hello, Fighting Irish community. My name is David Hernandez, and I am your faces here at Kennedy High School. I wanted to formally invite you to complete the online data confirmation on the Aeries portal. You should have received an email from our registrar with instructions on how to do it, or a social media post or parent square post. I wanted to let you know that we're actually the school with the highest percentage of parents who have completed this already. So big shout out to those who have already completed it thus far. I'll be opening my room in room 901, the Family and Community Engagement Center, all summer long for those parents who need extra help. Following this will be a video of short tutorials on how to do this as easy as possible. Please stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. Today I'll be going over how to complete the data confirmation process on the Aeries platform. Now you might be asking yourself, what is data confirmation? So it's really the first step in the registration process. It's the phase one, and it's the first thing you want to do to prepare your student for the next school year. This allows you and gives you the opportunity to update anything that you might need to on Aeries, such as an address, members in the household, income, emergency contacts, allergies or health conditions, etc. Now, once you complete this, you'll be receiving your receipt from Aeries. This is really important because once you get to registration, they'll ask you if you've completed data confirmation. And the families who do complete data confirmation have a much simpler and smoother registration day. And registration, of course, is when students receive their class schedules, textbooks, Chromebooks, ID photos, lockers, and then the opportunity to purchase class packages, which you can also do online and save yourself a lot of time on those hot summer days. And I added a note, while it is called registration, it's really similar to orientation. There's no need to re-register your students to Kennedy High School every year. We just call it registration. And then the final phase would just be, school starting again like normal. So if you're struggling to find the data confirmation page or portal, once you log into Aeries, there should be a banner either on the top middle section or on the bottom right section prompting you to complete it. And if you haven't made an account yet, our registrar Gladys Rodriguez sent everybody the credentials on how to link your students. If you don't have a prompt, no problem. You can just go on the left-hand side of the Aeries student tab, find student info, and then click on data confirmation. It'll lead you exactly where you need to go. So as mentioned before, you're just gonna have to go through all those motions, go through all the steps. It shouldn't take longer than 5 minutes. And the most important step is at the end to click finish and submit. Last year, a lot of families did not click that part, and I had to call them and say, hey, all you need to do is submit it. And yeah, you just save yourself that headache. You don't have to get any more phone calls from me or any more notifications. Just click submit. Once you click submit, you should be getting a receipt, as mentioned before, from Aeries AUHSD. Save it, star it, whatever you need to do, just in case there's any issues at registration. And if you're an incoming Fighting Irish family, welcome. So glad that you're here with us next year. Make sure your student has Kennedy High School under their name when you look at the top left-hand tab. If it says another middle school or a school like Walker, then you're completing it wrong. It has to say Kennedy High School for you to be ready for Kennedy's registration. Just wanted to make that clear, just because some people have actually already done it, and when they emailed me, they've completed Walker's or in other schools, not Kennedy's. So make sure that it says Kennedy High School under for incoming families. If you still need support, please reach out to our registrar, Gladys Rodriguez. I have here her email and her phone number. And thank you for your time. Here's my contact information if you have any questions, and I'll be glad to help.